Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion. Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Nothing to see here. Move along.
Like recruits.
I've got this.
Intrusion alarm, level 2. All units alerted.
My turn.
Let's try this again. Who sent you?
An old friend.
System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing.
Taskmaster. What do you want?
HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet.
It's in the jet. Let's go.
Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I should help.
Intruders! Step aside. I won't ask a second time. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. The Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win. Leave it to me.
We've got it. Let's go.
Friday, seal off Bay 94.
Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secure.
This is not going to end well for you.
For this?
Not today.
You know how this ends.
Oh man, I expected that to be so much cooler than it was. Oh, look at these. These are neat. Woo! Black Widow should not leave these things laying around. That is super dangerous. Ooh, lackeys. Hey, you. I know what you're thinking right now, and don't do it. Because you are going to go headfirst over that safety rail, right down there, and those poor people are in the splash zone. And you! I don't even want to say what's going to happen to you. Hey. Listen, I am under a contract, a very legally binding contract, mind you, stating that I cannot get into a fight at the Disneyland Resort. Registered trademark. However, that didn't say anything about Disney California Adventure. That used to have an apostrophe, right? May it rest in peace. Excuse me, I'm busy here. All right, okay, both of you just need to wait a second. I can't get into a fight unless I'm defending myself. I promised Feige that I would wait. Okay, at least give me a chance to figure out how these stupid things work. It was buttons. It was buttons the whole time. I should have thought of that. All right, well, I guess I should get out of here before any other problems come up. Hey, for those of you who saw this, just remember, I did not instigate any of this violence. I will have my favorite lawyer from Hell's Kitchen subpoena that footage if need be. Right. Although he's usually very busy and can't see me, so.